In this video, we're coming up to make a right turn. I just want to turn your attention to the vehicle behind me. They are not slowing down as we are coming up to make the turn. So they're not essentially maintaining this safe following distance. And notice how little buffer they've left between us and their vehicle as we are about to make this turn. Now, most of the time, we're going to be able to make this turn without an issue. But the thing is, if as we were turning onto the road that we're getting into here, if something was obstructing our pathway, let's say there's a pedestrian, like this person, if they were a bit closer to the intersection and we had to yield for them, this person has left no room for a smooth slowdown behind us. So essentially, the way they're driving is sending the message that you're going to be in the clear and I'm going to get to continue on my path. And if they're wrong about that, then we're going to have a rear ender. And this is not the strategy to have on the road. So don't ever assume that the vehicle in front of you is going to be completely clear out of your way as they're coming up to make a turn because something might be obstructing their path, causing them to slow down as they're making that turn. And so when you see the vehicle in front of you braking and signaling that they're going to be turning somewhere, get ready to cover the brake and slow down and maintain that safe following distance when they're about to make that turn. So that's really, really important. Again, this is somewhat of a hazardous habit that people have gotten into on the road is that you're going to get out of my way and I'm going to get to go without having to adjust my speed.